Hello children, welcome to today's session. Yes children, in the last session we learned kite, about kite we learned that is poem, right? Today let us see new lesson that is lesson number 9, a greedy jackal from grammar part. Okay children, let us see what is this. First one, look at the above pictures. Now choose the correct word from the list given below and complete this story. So here they have given some pictures. Here they have given some words and also they have given one story here. You can see the story here. By seeing the picture and also by choosing the correct word from the list given below, we should complete this story. Okay, children. First, let us read the words what they have given in the list. Okay, children. Water, pond, desired, fish, a crow, neither, jackal, an old vulture, disappointed, big fish, meat. See the picture here. You can see here jackal, fish, meat and vulture in the first picture. And here jackal, fish, meat. Here crow, you can see crow and vulture. The third picture can see jackal, vulture, crow and meat. Fish is not there. In the last picture you can see only jackal and vulture. Okay children. So by seeing the picture let us complete this story. Once a dash found a piece of meat. Who? In the first picture you can see who is that? Once a jackal. What is this? Jackal. So write this one. Jackal. Once a jackal found a piece of meat. It sat near the dash to eat it. What is this? It sat near the pond. It sat near the pond to eat it. All of a sudden, it saw a dash jump out from the water. What is this, children? All of a sudden, it saw a big fish. What is that? Big fish. Should write here. Big fish jump out from the water. It wanted to have that also. So here, this jackal is having meat and also it wanted to have that big fish also. What happened next? It dashed to grab the fish. It dashed to grab the fish. It desired. It desired to grab the fish. It wanted to grab the fish. Okay. As the jackal came nearby, the fish went into the dash again. The fish went into the dash again. What is this? Water, right? So should write water. Water again. Hence, it got no dash. What is that? Fish. It got no fish. The jackal was very much dash and returned to its place to take its piece of dash. So here the jackal was very much dash. Here you can see its face. The jackal was very much disappointed. What is this? Disappointed. Should write here. Disappointed. Okay, disappointed and returned to its place to take its piece of what? What is this? What is this? Meat. Piece of meat. Meat. But it had vanished as Dash flew away with it. So here you can see in the picture who is flying with that meat? A crow, right? So should write the answer had vanished as a crow flew away with it. So the jackal had dashed the piece of meat nor the fish. So the jackal had neither the piece of meat or nor the fish. Dash, who was watching everything, said, Who is watching there? See the picture. Who is watching? Here you can see. What is this, children? Vulture, right? So who is watching here? Vulture. So here you can write an old vulture. Here you can see the answer, an old vulture. Should write here. A capital letter, children. After the full stop we are writing. That's why you should start capital letter. Okay. An old vulture. Understood? Should not write A and we should write because O is vowels. Okay. An old vulture who was watching everything said, "Oh, foolish jackal, take care of what you have." Okay, children. So this jackal is very greedy, no? That's why this wolf was watching everything from the tree, saying, "Oh, foolish jackal, take care of what you have." Understood? So this fox wanted that meat also and fish also. That's why he did not get neither the piece of meat nor the fish. Right, children? So we should not be greedy. We should be happy with what we have. Understood, children? This is the moral of the story. Learn this. Have a good day. Take care.